Hey everybody, this is Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Got a beautiful brokerage listing to show you today. It's a 2017 Sea Hunt 27-foot Gamefish. Boat is in beautiful shape, loaded with features, powered by twin 250 Yamahas. Preferred power package on this boat. Trailer kept. Got about 800 hours on the motors. Hardtop. Big trolling motor up front. Spot lock feature. Great for fishing. It's got the port side dive door entrance. Easy on and off the boat or bringing in your big fish. Owners kept this boat in really good shape. Try and let you see the shine of the hull here. Really good looking boat. Beautiful hull color. Hard top, underside matches the hull size. So it's got a white bottom, as you can see, along with the trolling motor. It does have the anchor windlass. Whether you're sitting on a wreck using the trolling motor or dropping the anchor on live bottom, this boat will help you bring the fish in. Just a quick exterior walkthrough, and now I'll hop up the swim ladder and show you some of the features on board. Standing on the swim platform on the starboard side, so you've got the walk-through door, magnet holder for you, so it's not slamming shut on you in seas. Again, powered by twin 250 Yamahas. Then aftermarket rod holder rocket launcher here on the transom behind the fish box. We've got a bunch of live wells on this boat. First one along the transom here on that port side, and you've got rod holder, tons of rod holders all over the boat, as well as rocket launchers, angled king rod holders, as well as your outriggers. Whatever kind of fishing you're wanting to do, this boat will help you get it done. Got cup holders everywhere as well. Gas assisted shock on the fish box hatch. Nice and clean inside, that's what we like to see. Second live well setup is right here. You've got both left and right side openings with the little grate between the two, in case you wanted to keep your bait separate. Aft face seating behind the leading post here, and you've got this removable aft bench seat here that you can either collapse. Put you down for a second. You can either collapse like that or remove it entirely and leave it on the dock or in the garage to give you more cockpit space. There's plenty of seating on this boat, so you may not need that if you are going fishing. Quick look at the port side door here. Gives you a ton of access. Nice wide opening. Sea Hunt logo comes in the boat. Really neat feature. And then it locks in place. Moving forward to the helm. Twin bolsters right here with armrests, concave in case you want to use it as a leaning post and you're standing up and running. But of course you got to stay comfy, so you drop that down and kick your feet up for the long runs out to the fishing grounds. Boat has a nice size Simrad touchscreen hybrid. Beautiful display on the Simrad. You've got all of your switches for your pumps and lights, as well as your digital Yamaha display. Give you a quick look at the hour meter. 793, 795, just under 800 hours. Got Lenco trim tabs, LED indicated. Got start and stop with single ignition, digital throttle, binnacles, hydraulic steering, power assisted pump, nice steering wheel, and you've also got a tilting helm for whichever angle you'd like, as well as a suicide knob for easy docking. Looking forward, you've got full glass windshields, front, left, and right. And if you want to breeze, you can open up the vent up front, give you a little bit more airflow. Got your compass on top. Storage down below in case you wanted to throw any loose items, as well as lockable storage in the glove box down there. Cup holders. You've got your infinity stereo system, as well as an elastic phone holder. Keep your phone right where you want it. Nice padded footrest right here, as well as your footrest here in case you need to see over anything up in the bow. Moving forward to the bow area, probably the favorite seat on the boat is this big lounger you've got here. Too wide, legs will fit across. Nice comfy upholstery here. Underneath you've got nice dry storage, big hatch. And this is where we've got the trolling motor batteries and the battery charger for those batteries. So you've got plenty of room up here for all of your towels, backpacks, anything like that. Just a quick look at the size of this hatch. Those gas shocks certainly help you out with it. Up here we've got your Minn Kota trolling motor with the support for running offshore. As you can see, 112 pound thrust, 36 volt. This is the long shaft so that it stays in the water when you're bobbing up and down in bigger seas. Definitely what you want. And then we have up front is another live well. Maybe for your pitch bait, sight casting, maybe some cobia or sailfish. Just nice to have. Under here you've got your windlass. You've got controls obviously up here and at the dash. More rod holders, as you can see. And everywhere on the boat are these heavy duty stainless pop-up cleats. Super nice in the recess to be flush with the deck so you're not stubbing your toes if you do have to walk up there. Spreader lights, outriggers. You got your VHF up top along with more lights and switches. Nice clean console here with your head. All the plumbing goes to the holding tank, which is nice. We've got your battery switches here. Access to the back of the dash, helm, and your batteries. All the rigging and wires. nice and clean, as well as more access here to the GPS and whatnot. Like I said, guys, this boat is in great shape. It is new to the market and ready for its next owners. Although it is a very capable fishing machine, it's also very comfortable for the family. Whether you're just cruising around the waterway or running through some chop to get to the sandbar. Got plenty of storage, seating, and family-friendly amenities on board, including the head, this nice center bow lounger, and seating in the cockpit. Beautiful boat, ready to roll. Once again, this is Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, on board this 2017 Sea Hunt Gamefish 27. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's get you out on the water.